Okay, so this is my clothing wardrobe. I have my clothing on a rack, and my shoes are over here in boxes stacked. So I'll now go in depth in how I organize my clothing. Okay, so we're going in depth in my closet now. First of all, I have shirts at the top. So at the top here. And over here I have a few bags that I wear to school, or if I'm running out, I just pick them up. So I have this long crossbody bag, my school bag, and another crossbody bag that I wear to school. Here I have some clothing that I haven't worn as yet, so I put them aside from the ones that I have. And here I have my shirts. The way I organize my shirt is that I organize them in the way of availability of sleeves. So sleeveless and spaghetti strap shirts and tops are here. My t-shirts are here, which that have too much sleeves, and my long sleeve shirts are here. Okay, so I also organize my t-shirts by how dressy they are. So my school shirts are here, and a little dressier shirts that I wear out otherwise, or here go down. Okay, so over here I have my dresses and skirts. So I have my church dresses or formal dresses, and I have a spaghetti dress. I have my maxi dresses here also, and my skirts, my long skirts that can fold at the bottom. So that's what is there. Okay, now for the bottom of my closet, it's all bottoms and jackets and a few matching suits. I have one skirt here and my pants. Here I have all my leggings and jeggings here. I have few skirts, and the rest of this is my jackets and my more dressier bottoms or skirts to wear to work or to church. On this side is my stock of shoes, and that is my wardrobe. So that is it for my wardrobe. I quite like the way I organize it. It helps me to pick out clothes easily and get ready faster. And for the shoes, I like them like this because it helps to keep them dusty and away from the sun that can dry out the glue in them, so they can last a little bit longer. So that's it for my wardrobe, and thank you.